everybody, and welcome back. Today we're going to look at percent increase. We're breaking this one down into two separate lessons. So this one we're going to look at when the percent is increasing the original, and then the next lesson we'll look at when the percent is decreasing the original. We are still in our proportionality unit, so we're going to start by looking at our proportion and what each piece in this proportion is going to look like. A proportion, when we're talking about percents, is usually, I'm going to say always, I hate to say always, but the percent of a whole is here. This is the percent whole. Like that's all of it. All the percent is 100%. And if it's the percent whole in the bottom left corner, this is the whole. This is the original. This is what comes first. So this is the original number. We'll just say original. Because we're looking at how something is changing. So whatever it was first, that's going to go here. And now, since we are looking at how something is changing, how much it changes is going to go in the top left. So this is going to be the difference. Ooh, that's bright. Hang on. Let's try this one. The difference between new minus original. So the difference, subtracting the new amount minus the original. And then however much this number is in the top right corner, this is the percent of difference. Now, things that are percent increase. Examples, taxes. When you mark up a price, like if you have a store and you're selling stuff, you might add money to the price. So you buy something for so much and you're going to mark up that price. So things that are percent increase are tax. If you go out to eat, a tip is something that you would add to the price. A markup. If you increase the price of something, like I want to sell you this pen for more than I paid for it, that's a markup. There are other examples. We'll stick with those. So let's do two examples. The first example, I'm going to tell you the new and the original price. So if I was going from, first example, I started with $24 in my pocket. So I currently have $24, but I'm going to increase that amount to $30. So I started with $24. I'm increasing it to $30. So this one is the original, because that's what it was first. This is the original. So that makes the 30 the new. I'm going to use a different color because I don't want to get it mixed up. So $30 is a new price. So the first thing I want to do here is subtract to find the difference. Again, the first thing I want to do here is figure out how much did it change. So what is 30 minus 24? It's 6. So 30 minus 24 is 6. That's going to go top left, the difference. All right, the second thing I need to do, which one is the original? The 24. 24 is the original. Okay. Does it tell me the percent that it changed? No, I do not know this. So my next step is to set up a proportion. I'm going to set up proportion. And we know we cross multiply and divide. So if my proportion looks like this, what was the difference? It was 6. That goes here. How much was the original? 24. It goes here. What goes in the bottom right? 100. Because we're talking about percents. So 100 goes there. And then what's going to go in this missing spot? That's my X. That's the one I don't know. All right. So first thing I need to do here, 6 times 100 is 600. So I do this times this, and that's 600. And then divide by 24, which is 25. So X here is 25% increase because it went up. The old one was 24. The new one is 30. So this is a 25% increase. Okay. What if they tell you the percent of increase? What if they tell you which one is the increase? Let's do one of those. So let's say that I know that there is a 5% increase. So I'm going to add 5% increase to something that is originally $380. 380 original. Okay. So for this one, I know different pieces of my proportion. So if I set it up over here, the pieces stay the same. We just know different ones now. So where does the original go? Right there. So this is going to be 380 because it told me so. The original goes in the bottom left. What goes in the bottom right? 100. That one we know too. 100 because we're talking about percents. Now, it told me 5% increase. So where does that one go? The percent goes top right. Sorry, percent increase. So 5% goes over 100. And this is going to be my X. I don't know that one. So I don't know the difference between the original and the new price. So I'm going to do 5 times 380, which is 1900. And then divide by 100, which is 19. Okay, so I solved this proportion just like I did on the first one. But with this one, 19, what is that? 19 is the difference. So this is 19. So if it increased 5%, with the 19, if I increase 19, is that adding or subtracting? It's adding. Increase, I'm going to add. So with this one, I'm going to take the original price. So add difference to the original. So the 5% is $19. That's the difference. So 380 plus 19 380 plus 19 is 399. So what is 399? That's our new price. That's the new price. Because it was 380, I added 19 to it as my increase, and so my new price is $399. All right, guys, thanks for hanging in there. Don't forget, percent increase makes the price go up. So whatever the original is, the new price needs to be more than the original. Good luck. See you guys later.